So John and I moved down from Dublin to an old cottage just outside Carnan Vua on the South Wicklow, North Wexford border in 2001. When my parents visited, my late father flourished in the traditional fabric of the house, the open fire, vision of hanging pots, what was left of the interior whitewashed walls, the old plates and trough we found in the adjoining field, the beautiful walks. It all spoke to us. We spoke with the locals about who lived in the house before us with great interest. It was important. It was part of us now. My mammy wasn't taken with the house at all or the area compared to John's parents who were used to rural life. Mammy hated the dark outside, the lack of street lights, and the remoteness was just too much for a true dub, although we filled the cottage with songs and stories. During this time, we've been fortunate enough to have two beautiful children, Era agus Cullen. They are growing up in an environment very similar to mine, full of song, music, stories and traditions. I can tell them all about our Dublin traditions, sing our Dublin songs, recall our street games with such fondness. But I've had to work extra hard to paint a picture of their place. But we are interested. Through our ongoing work, researching, collecting, sharing and writing new songs in the traditional style, and with the help of the community who have shared so much with us, we are painting a great picture. The best, I hope, is yet to come. Us Whelans, O'Faolains, are right at home here on the South Wicklow North Wexford border. However, in a good way, I suppose I'll always feel like I'm on my summer holidays in the sunny southeast. The fair city is never far away. As a runner-in, a local term that I am quite fond of, I feel very fortunate as I continue on this journey. The Dublin to Wexford route is a good service. So I suppose when I found that, I wanted to share it in terms of our journey, really, from not only our journey that we're going to share with you tonight through song and music and folklore, but our own personal journey in terms of coming from a different place to live now and make our home here. As I said, outside Carnew on the North Wexford, South Wicklow North Wexford border, and our life is, you know, a lot of our children are in school, we worked in Wexford, so everything, we had to kind of work extra hard, as I said, to learn that. So that's really just an introduction, and we're going to explore that more, that sense of identity within that, you know, journey from one place to the next.